Leafs win the faceoff. Marner's got control of the puck in the corner. The backhander scores! Mitch Marner!
Hey, James, I thought the goalie had this till about the fourth deep. And then he's out in the corner. He's got no chance. What a goal.
Toronto's on the board first. What now?
Attack. Don't sit back. You're not defending the lead with way too much time left.
Gains the zone through the middle. Drives it to the crease. Taken by Bergeron. Moves it quickly over to Marchand. Shot. He scores and serves up a drink at it.
I don't know why goalies don't make sure that bottle isn't locked in there. That would really make me sour to see the bottle go up in the air. He's tight to the net. He doesn't have much time. And that snapshot beats the goaltender from the low slot.
The Bruins make their way back to the face-off circle at center ice, clinging to a one-goal lead.
This middle period will have great importance. They have the one-goal lead. You don't want to get... I know what he's trying to do. Get into space to shoot it, but now you got to chase because you've turned it over.
Off his stick! Oh, what a glorious opportunity squandered there!
Yeah, you could tell as soon as he hit the puck, he didn't like it. He shook it.
He scores! Nikita Kucherov, the former Hart Trophy winner, comes up with a big one.
A quick flick of the wrist, and that snapshot beats the goaltender. He's in the low slot. He doesn't have much time to think about it.
The Lightning have found some offense here in the first, and they lead at 1-0.
What a great place to be. You've got the lead in that first period, and now you can kind of dictate what the pace of the game might look like.
Right up the gut into the offensive end. And now it's grabbed by Larkin. Scores! The home team's on the board.
That is a textbook start for a home team. Get the early first goal, make the road guys start to chase you. Obviously, there's more than one way to beat a goalie. How about the old stumble, stay with it, don't fall over, and still find a way to beat him? Pretty nice goal.
Detroit's execution on the offensive end pays off quickly, Ray.
Didn't take them long, did it? They're attacking quickly, they capitalize on an opportunity, and now they can play the game from in front.
Montreal's moving the puck through center ice. Takes a shot. Scores! On the rebound, puts it home.
The rebound snapped away. What a nice shot. But the goalie's got to do a better job cleaning up that rebound. You can't leave it right there.
Montreal's got the game's first goal here in the opening frame.
Pretty tightly played game so far. Not a lot of chances. Not a lot of errors on it.
Welcome back to EA Sports, the final frame of this one. It's been a tight affair to this point. Third period is now underway. Quick pass to Kachuk. Brady Kachuk.
Goalie just can't keep up with this. He's close to the net, but he's still able to have enough room to beat the goaltender.
Ottawa's dominating puck possession. Now they finally actually have a lead.
Got something to show for it. After a while, you can only hear so often from the coaches that you're playing well. You want some results. They've got...
I hope he's not waiting for a better chance to shoot the puck. I mean, it is a breakaway, but he ends up screwing himself into the ice and not getting anything on the net.
Here's a shot. He scores on the power play.
Taking advantage of the extra man, move the puck well and get on the board. This is how you create the offense. I mean, you can't be digging the puck out of your skates all day. Tape to tape, off you go. They can't recover defensively, and it ends up in the net.
The Sabres take the early 1-0 lead here with lots of time to go here in this opening frame.
Yeah, but you get to play from in front.
One of them could be a difference maker for their team tonight, guys. Back to you.
Feeds it down low. The Panthers played along the boards. Moves it quickly over. Scores! Oh, what a shot on the one-timer!
Man, he's dancing through the team here. Great moves, and then he lays one over. It's a beaut, and his teammate gets the hammer at home.
The Panthers finally get a goal, and it couldn't come at better timing, Razor.
There's been no room on the ice, and now maybe this will crack this thing open a little.